In today's video, I am going to teach you how to set my domain email using Mailerlite. To begin, make sure you are logged into your Mailerlite account. You should be on your main Mailerlite dashboard, where you can access your account tools and settings. This is where you manage the important details connected to your account, including your sender information, domains, and other setup options. For this tutorial, we are focusing only on adding your domain email, so you do not need to adjust any campaign settings or create an email campaign right now. Once you are logged in, look toward the top area of the screen for your account name. This is usually found in the main navigation area, often near the corner of the dashboard. Click on your account name to open the account menu. This menu gives you access to several account-related options, so take a moment to look through the list carefully. From that menu, select Account Settings. This will take you to the section where Mailerlite keeps the settings that apply to your overall account. Account settings are useful because they let you manage account details in one central place, instead of changing them inside individual campaigns or forms. After clicking Account Settings, wait for the page to load fully before moving on, so you can clearly see all of the available tabs and options. Now that you are inside Account Settings, look for the Domains tab. The Domains tab is where Mailerlite lets you manage domain-related settings for your account. This is the area you need when you want to connect or add a custom domain email address. Click the Domains tab to open that section. Once the Domains section is open, look for the Add Domain button. This button is used to begin adding a new domain email address to your Mailerlite account. Click Add Domain. After you click it, Mailerlite should show a field where you can enter the custom domain email address you want to use. This is the email address connected to your own domain rather than a general free email provider. Before typing, take a moment to make sure you are entering the correct address. Your custom domain email address should be the address you want Mailerlite to recognize for your account setup. Be careful with spelling, spacing, and the domain ending. A small typo can cause the address to be entered incorrectly, so it is worth checking it before saving. You do not need to enter any private password or sensitive login information here. You are only entering the custom domain email address itself. Click inside the email address field and type in your custom domain email address. Enter it exactly as you want it to appear in Mailerlite. Make sure there are no extra spaces before or after the address. Once the address looks correct, you are ready to save it. Now click Save. This will submit the custom domain email address to Mailerlite and add it to the domain section of your account settings. After saving, give the page a moment to process the change. You should remain in the same general account settings area, and the domain email you added should now be part of your Mailerlite domain setup. That is the full process for setting your domain email in Mailerlite using the account settings area. You start by opening your account menu, go into Account Settings, open the Domains tab, choose Add Domain, enter your custom domain email address, and then save it, and that is all there is to it.